Got what it takes to survive in the battlefield? Check out some tips and tricks to help you improve your Call of Duty gameplay. A good soldier knows that you never go into battle empty-handed. Maximize your loadout slots so that you'd have a variety of weapons at your disposal. This will help you get out of tight situations and win the game. In Battle Royale mode, memorizing the map landscape is key for better positioning. COD Mobile's terrain allows you to squeeze yourself in areas such as cliff blind spots and roofs, giving you space to heal yourself or snipe enemies without easily being detected. In multiplayer mode, make sure your team is balanced. Not everyone should be a sniper. Designate some of your members to the front line as assault, while others serve as snipers. Same goes with the gameplay in multiplayer mode. Not all strategies should be offensive. Pick two who will play defense so that your attack team can play more aggressively, knowing they're being looked out for. Be strategic when it comes to your score streak. The faster you can produce one of these skills, the better your chance of winning. One example is the care package. It can give you a random score streak that ranges from a hunter-killer drone to a stealth chopper. Have you seen that floating station in Battle Royale mode? Seems interesting, right? Be cautious though. That area is a hotspot for all players because of the weapon grade it produces. If you were to land there, it's best to pick up just one weapon, ammo, and med supply. Although it seems cool and fun to stay there and fight, there's a huge chance that you won't survive. Get out of there as fast as you can. Got any more tips? Sound off in the comment section.